Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Suwanee Local and Long Distance Movers Near Me. Long distance travel necessitates thorough preparation. We have a lot of expertise assisting our clients with long distance relocations. We have the necessary permits to conduct long distance movements. We collaborate closely with municipal and federal agencies in charge of long-distance relocation to ensure that your belongings are transported without delay. Our professional movers are meticulous that will meticulously tidy your stuff. We also have a sufficient number of moving vehicles. Our trucks protect your belongings by securing them and preventing any harm. Our drivers are experts in their field. They are familiar with all highway regulations and adhere to them. Your products arrive in perfect shape and on schedule at your destination. Our local distance services are the finest. We are a neighborhood favorite because we provide excellent services at affordable pricing. We have hourly rates as low as $30 to $40. We provide outstanding customer service and work within your time and budget constraints. We are familiar with all of the local and main roads and how to transfer your stuff quickly. When you patronize us, we ensure our experts handle your local moves professionally. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Suwanee moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.